We're representing a lady from Waynesboro, Georgia, whose legs were badly damaged in a truck accident case. And the truck driver told the state patrol he was tired to drive. And our client asked us whether him being too tired to drive would have an effect on her case. If you're watching this video, you may have similar questions. Under federal and state law, truck drivers in Georgia have restrictions on the amount of hours they can drive in a day and drive in a week. And these driving restrictions should be recorded in logbooks that are kept by the trucking company. And many times these truck drivers falsify these logbooks, and attorneys that are experienced in truck accident cases are able to analyze the logbooks and analyze the routes the truckers drive and where they drop their loads and where they buy their gas and where they buy their meals, and reconstruct the routes and prove that these truck drivers were driving over the amount of time and the amount of hours they're allowed to drive under federal state law. And they can be punished, and it will enhance the damages of a truck accident victim's case. That's why it's important to find attorneys that are experienced in truck accident cases. If you have a question about your truck accident case, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to help.